Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily use your VPN server on your Android device. So for doing this you just need to open Play Store and just write in search in Play Store VPN. So let's wait after it will load our Google Play and just write here VPN and just click enter. So here you can see first Turbo VPN, free VPN proxy. Just click on install and just wait until it install and download and install to your smartphone. So let's wait. So here you can see that it also installing and it successfully now will open. So now it's scanning all install files and just propose you to open your application. So here you can see that we can choose open, just click on open and it will successfully, just click I agree, start free trial. So here you can see that we can also use 7 days of free trial. So here you need to add your credit or debit bank, and also you can also just click tap to connect. You can also cancel the previous step and just tap to connect now. Connection request. Turbo VPN wants to set up a VPN connection that allows it to monitor network traffic. Only accept if you trust the source. So just click OK. And now it is connecting to our proxy server, so we need to wait some time. Here you can see that we successfully connected to some England United Kingdom server. Here you can see also that we successfully now connected to VPN. Here you can see VPN image and it successfully works. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.